Hi everyone, I'm Suyuk from One Stop Solution. In this video, I will show you how to turn on animations on Duolingo. Enabling animations can make your learning experience more engaging and interactive on the app. So let's get started. First, open the Duolingo app on your device. Tap on the profile option from the bottom of your screen. Now, tap the settings option from the top right corner of your screen. From the menu, tap the preferences option. Here you can find the animations option. Simply tap the toggle switch right next to the animations option and turn it on. And this is how you can turn on animations on Duolingo. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.